How to return a Zalando item. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to return a Zalando item. Returning an item to Zalando is simple. First, pack the item in its original packaging and make sure it's in unused condition. Then, go to the Zalando website or app, find your order, and select the item you want to return. You will get a return label print if it's needed, or use a QR code if available. Stick the label on the package and drop it off at the nearest return point. After that, keep the receipt as proof. Once Zalando gets your package, they will process your refund within a few days. If you need help, check their website or contact customer service. Returns are usually free, but check their policy to be sure. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.